kusema pole kwa familia, watoto, wajane ambao kwa bahati mbaya wameachwa na waume wao na wazazi wao. Into next year, we are going to upgrade our air assets, our land assets, our mobility, especially for serious and dangerous operational areas, to provide armored, protected, and anti-mine mobility vehicles so that our officers do not get the exposure that they have got in the past. Because the cowards who are perpetuating terror will never engage our officers. And that is the style of cowards. They come at night, they place some things in some road at night, and they hide in the bushes. And so once we sort out our mobility equipment to make sure that it is protected, and we have mine sweepers, it's going to be impossible for these terrorists to hurt our people and our officers going forward, because they are cowards. They cannot engage with us directly. They survive by coming at night, placing some gadgets, and disappearing. And therefore, in 5 years, starting last year, the government is going to use a total of 37 billion to modernize the equipment of our police and the Kenya Prison Service.